Welcome to Cyber Hacking. Today I will show you top basic Linux command. If you want to learn Linux and want to be ethical hacker, these 20 basic command you have to know. To work with Kali Linux, these 20 basic Linux command essential. We know Kali Linux is an open source operating system developed by Offensive Security. It contains a bunch of security tools divided by categories for penetration testing or ethical hacking in a practical environment to test the reliability and security of the systems in play. Unusual situations. First command is date command. This command is generally used to display the system date and time. You can also set a custom date by typing the syntax such as date set equals the 27th of April 2020 1610. Command in your terminal. Second command is cal command. The cal command simply displays a formatted calendar of current month in your terminal screen. If in case you need an advanced version of cal, then you can also download ncal package in your Linux machine which displays the calendar vertically along with more options. Third command is wo command. The wo command simply prints the effective user ID, whereas wo command prints the information about users who are currently logged in. You can also use thick w command to see who is logged on and what they are doing. Fourth command is pwd command. Pwd stands for print working directory, which simply prints the name of the working directory, or you can directly use the below command to use pwd. This command syntax bin pwd. Fifth command is ls command. This command is one of the most useful command in Kali Linux that lists directory contents of files and directories. With ls command, you can easily list out all hidden files of a directory with the attribute n. For more detailed output, you can use lattribute. To show all file and folder, you can use lsal. Command is cd command. The cd command, also known as change directory, is a command used to switch the current working directory. Command is mkdir command. The command used for creating directories is mkdir. For example, if you want to create a directory under desktop called my directory, open a terminal and type the following command: mkdir/home directory/current username/desktop/my directory. command is cat command. The cat concatenate command is one of the most frequently used command in Kali Linux, which allows us to create single or multiple files, view container file, concatenate files and redirect output in terminal or files. Generally, the cat command is used for displaying the contents of a file. Command is cp command. This command is used to copy files or group of files or directory, which creates an exact image of a file on a disk with different file name. Command is mv command. The mv command moves or renames files and directories onto your file system. Eleventh command is rm command. The rm remove command is used to delete files. When used recursively, it may be used to delete directories. The removal process unlinks a file name in a file system from its associated data and marks that space on the storage device as usable by future writes. In other words, when you remove a file, the data in the file isn't changed, but it's no longer associated with the file name. command is a name command. This command prints the information about the current system. The name command within Linux allows you to view system information about your Linux environment. With the name command, which gives you more information about the system like kernel name, node name, kernel release, kernel version, machine, processor, hardware platform and operating system. Command is uptime command. The uptime command gives you the time for which the system has been up or running. Uptime's basic usage is very easy, just write the command's name and press enter. In case you just want to know the time for which the system has been up, and that too in a more human readable format, use the p command line option. 14th command is users command. This command displays login names of users currently logged in on system. 15th command is less command. Less command is used to view files instead of opening the file. You can view any text file using the less command simply by typing the following into a terminal window. Example less/etc/passwd. Less command is considered to be a more powerful version of the more command, which is used to display information to the terminal one page at a time. Command is more command. The more command allows you to display output in the terminal one page at a time. This is especially useful when running a command which causes a lot of scrolling, such as the ls command or the do command. The more command works with any application that outputs to the screen. A good way of testing this is to type the following into a terminal window. Example: more/etc/passwd. 17th command is sort command. Sort command sorts the contents of a text file, line by line. Sort is a standard command line program that print the lines of its input or concatenation of all files listed in its argument list in sorted order. With our switch, you can sort the contents of any file in reverse order. Command is YOM command. The YOM editor is a screen editor which is available on almost all Unix systems in general. Y has two modes: the command mode and the insert mode. To begin entering text in an empty file, you must first change from the command mode to the insert mode. To do this, type the letter A. When you start typing, anything you type will be entered into the file. Type a few short lines and hit return at the end of each of line. Unlike word processors, Y does not use word wrap. It will break a line at the edge of the screen. If you make a mistake, you can use the backspace key to remove your errors. If the backspace key doesn't work properly on your system, try using the CTRL-H key combination. 19th command is free command. Free is a command which can give us valuable information on available RAM in Linux machine. It also gives information about total used and available space of physical memory and swap memory with buffers used by kernel. Free command with T option will list the total line at the end. 20th command is history command. One of the extensively used command in Kali Linux is history command. The bash shell stores a history of commands entered, which can be used to repeat commands by using the history command. In simple manner, you can run the history command by itself and will simply print out the bash history of current user to the screen as shown below. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel to get more new technical video.